Do you stress about money, bills, not being able to go on vacations when you want to, or simply not being able to be there for your loved ones? Well, if this is you, how would you like to start your own profitable business online and be able to put all the stress to an end and pretty much take control of your financial destiny? So to help you out in this video, I'm going to share with you the 4 things you need to build a 6-figure business online and my top recommendation for you to get started today. So stay tuned. Okay, and here we go. So today I'm a happy camper because I have some wonderful information to share with you that is going to help you take your success to a whole new level. So if you've been stressing about money, maybe you don't, you want to be there for your loved ones, you want to travel more, you don't want to be in that job that you're in, whatever the case is, this that I'm going to share with you today is going to help you put all of that away because these are the 4 things that I got access to and that is allowing me to build a 6-figure business online, and I'm pretty confident that it can that it can help you as well. So what are those 4 things? Number one, the 4 things you're going to need to create a 6-figure online business is going to be products. You're going to need the right products that actually help people, products that people are searching on the internet that's going to be helpful. The second thing you're going to need is tools. You're going to need the tools that's going to help you create automation, and it's going to help you create freedom. So if you hear of people making money while they sleep, while they're traveling, you hear those stories, all over, all over the internet. That's because they have tools in place that's going to help them, that is helping them create that type of income while they do other activities. All right. And number 3, the third thing you're going to need is the right training. There's a lot of fluff out there, a lot of people sharing stuff that is not even helping anybody, or they're not even implementing themselves. So you got to be careful. So you want to make sure that you have the right training, and that's why I'm here. That's why I share these tips on my channel or anywhere that you see me online, is because I'm actually learning from the best, and as I implement these things and get results, then I share this with people. So you want to get the right training. You want to be surrounded by the right people that are teaching the right stuff. Then the last thing you're going to need is a trusted community. So these are basically the 4 main components that I got access to before, when I started my business, right? I was in a 9-to-5 job. I was tired. I didn't want to be like that anymore. I was jumping from opportunity to opportunity. And once I got access, and once I learned about these 4 things, my life changed forever, and it's going to help you as well. So if you've been struggling, as I said, with money, you've been having some financial issues, or maybe you're jumping opportunities, or you're looking around and you don't know what the right place to start, well, let me help you with that, help you make that decision really quick. Okay, so as I promised, though, I'm going to share with you this tool. This is actually it's called an all-in-one business that you can actually start right now and start achieving success. Okay, so you're gonna get the right tools, you're gonna get the right training, and everything that you need to pretty much create a 6-figure business in 12 months or less. We're gonna work with you. So let me share my screen very quick so I can show you what I'm talking about. And if at any moment you want to check it out yourself and want to get started, you can always click that first link in the description that says my #1 recommendation and get started. All right, so let me go ahead and share my screen very quick. Okay, so here's my screen, and as you can see, we work with you to get you profitable right now. We're going to help you create a 100,000 yearly residual income in 12 months or less, so that's a 6-figure right there. And we're going to give you the tools and skills to create unlimited income online for life. So just imagine that for a second, that you have the skills to create unlimited income online for life. Right, that's something that is pretty much priceless in my opinion, because once you know how to do this, then you can do, you can do the things that you actually enjoy doing. So this is not just about making money, but it's about the things that you're able to do when time and money is not an issue, right? And you can do this from anywhere in the world. You can do this from your laptop. Like right now, I'm from the comfort of my home. I do this in my spare time because me and my wife, we do other stuff in other industries that we actually love doing. So this is what I like sharing this with people. So as you see here, you notice that we said we work with you, right? You notice that. So most companies and gurus, they work hard to sell you, and then you are on your own to figure all out, on your own. I don't know if you've been through that, but I've been through that many times where I actually I go and meet somebody and join a company, and then after I get started, like I'm just like in the jungle. There's nobody's really there to help me out. But in this right here, with this online community right here, you're gonna get help. You're gonna be helped by people that are actually getting crazy results online. So when you get access to all this all-in-one business, you get access to personal help. As I said, you get one-on-one help. You get access to live mentoring and an entire community, as I mentioned, that is here to support you and help you nearly 24/7. So how about that? That you can get help almost 24/7. You have questions. There's something that you need help on. Why not have somebody that can help you, answer your questions or help you get there to the next step. All right, so our primary goal here is pretty much is not, it's not just to make sales. Our goal is to pretty much build a community of heart center, principle center, and highly skilled entrepreneurs like you with visions to pretty much change the world. So with the things that you're going to learn here, we're trying to build, something that's going to pretty much be beneficial, not just for here, but for the whole world, right? So this is cool. Now, it's our goal to help you create true long-term wealth. That's the goal that they're going to help you out in a way that gives you an abundance of time, money, lifestyle, freedom to start dreaming again, right? Because people like you that not only dream but act on your dreams are the only people who have ever changed the world in a forward positive way. So by you changing your life, in other words, by you changing your own life and deciding to start your own business and being prosperous, you're already you're contributing to helping the world become a better place, because that attracts other people that want to be better for themselves. And this is just giving people the facility to pretty much create their own economy, right? This is what I love this. This is what I love this. And this is why I share a lot of, ways that you can earn income online. It's not just to make money, but it's so you can actually create prosperity in your life, create wealth, so then you can actually inspire others to create their wealth too. Okay? So this all-in-one business with this ready-to-go $1.6 million sales system. Now, let me mention that again. This is a $1.6 million sales system. Its products, its training, its tools, its community, and its personal life help has everything you need to start creating income and get into profit right now. This is why I'm so excited. This is why I was saying that I'm a happy camper today, because of this, because I am able to share things like this with you. Okay, so if you're looking to building the lifelong skill to create unlimited wealth forever, if you want to do that and you want to start today, or you just want to check it out, go ahead and click that link below. As I mentioned, click that link below. It's the first link. Access the information. I will send you an email with the information as well, so you can have it for you. And actually, I'm going to help you by giving you a free book. So there's going to be a free book involved. So get access to that free book. It's from a buddy of mine named Nick, and it's going to give you a 30-minute plan that you can actually implement and start getting success. That's just a little treat for taking your time to watching this video. I want to give you that free book. Okay? So other than that, thank you for watching this video. I hope you got a lot of value from it. So remember, the four things is pretty much you need the right products, right? You need the right tools, you need the right training, and you need the trusted community. So this right here, it has all of that. It has all of that plus more, because it's going to include you as well. It's going to help you take your income to a whole new level. Okay, again, this is Michael Cruz. Thank you for watching. Check out the link below, and if you haven't, if this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and share this with somebody that you feel will benefit from. All right, other than that, thank you. I'm out, and we'll see you in the next video.